Good morning.
Hello and welcome to Fully Charged Live 2022 with Britishvolt. We were here last year and we've come back again to see how the EV and electrification landscape has changed in just 12 months. There are EVs, of course, but there's chargers, boilers, micro-mobility, boats, even planes.
The most exciting thing about this year is we've got cars, heat, self-generation, smart stuff. There's even an aeroplane here, right? So the going green is going everywhere.
There are dozens and dozens of chargers, from little cute 7 kilowatts like that. You can change the cover of that to suit your car or your mood, to monsters like this. This can do 400 kilowatts, and you can even watch advertising on it as you charge.
The scale of the event. It's not just about electric cars anymore, it's about everything. Bikes, mopeds, home improvements, aeroplanes, boats. It's really exciting, loads of energy.
Last year there was just a handful of car makers exhibiting here, but this year there are no less than 25 different automakers exhibiting literally scores and scores of EVs. And you can test drive some pretty special stuff. This is the new Nissan Ariya. It's a kind of crossover SUV. And this won't be out in the UK until July, so this is a prototype. You can test drive new EVs, but here's a new development. This year, you can test used ones as well. The vogue for electrification of classics continues. You've got a BMW Isetta bubble car, BMW Batmobile, DeLorean, and who knew? A Mark II Volkswagen Golf GTI 16 valve. Now, I grew up on these. They were fantastic cars, and they're calling this one the Volkswagen.
So what I'm seeing about Fully Charged in 2022 is there's a lot more of that ecosystem. So there's a stand over there that's talking about, you know, wind energy, there's solar panels, there's some batteries, there's chargers and so on. So it's really interesting, the whole kind of ecosystem around electric vehicles, that there's a lot more of this year than there was, at least in my impressions last year.
2022 will be remembered as the year when those tectonic plates shifted yet again, and the limelight moved away slightly from EVs and more onto energy bills. So what we're seeing is a transition from polluting, dirty fossil fuels to sustainable, renewable energy. So if you don't believe that electrification is happening, you need to come here and see it for your own eyes. 2022 is also the year when I bought my second electric car. It must be something they put in the waters here.